microbial growth in food. First of all, first intro, food is substrate for microorganisms. Is a food acts as a good mediums for transmission of many diseases. So microorganisms are present in the food is use of sources of nutrients. Nutrient requirements: carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, and etc. This next factors affecting microbial growth in food. First one extrinsic factors, next one intrinsic factors. Extrinsic factors, first one temperature. Is a temperature. The growth of microorganisms is affected by the environmental temperatures. So various microorganisms are able to grow at temperatures are not others. Bacteria can therefore be divided into the following groups. So depending upon their optimum temperature for growth. So first microorganisms, physicophilic microorganisms. These grow best at about 20 degrees Celsius but also down to minus 10 degrees Celsius in unfrozen media. This bacteria can cause food spoilage at low temperatures, very low temperatures. And next, several of these microorganisms are found in the water belonging to this group. Next bacteria, mesophilic bacteria. First one is the physiographic microorganisms. Next one, the mesophilic bacteria. In these organisms, grow between 25 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius with an optimum growth temperatures close to 37 degrees Celsius. Such as Pseudomonas aeruginosa in this bacteria may grow at even lower temperatures, it's between 5 to 43 degrees Celsius. Next, none of the mesophilic bacteria are able to grow below 5 degrees Celsius or above 45 degrees Celsius. In this very important, so mesophilic bacteria are able to grow below 5 degrees Celsius or above 45 degrees Celsius. Next, so most pathogenic bacteria belong to these groups. Next one, thermophilic bacteria. Thermophilic bacteria is this grow at temperatures above 45 degrees Celsius. Is often their optimum growth temperatures is between 50 degrees Celsius and 70 degrees Celsius. Is growth of some bacteria occur at 80 degrees Celsius. Is very important for this is a growth of some bacteria occur at 80 degrees Celsius. Next, so bacteria in this group are mainly spore formers and are of importance in the food industry, especially in processed in the foods. Next, note that the effect of temperatures on microbial growth is also depends upon the environmental conditions such as optimum environmental conditions such as is the first of all one growth factors in the nutrient medium. Any nutrients mediums this grow with the microorganisms where grows. Next, pH of the food and the water activity. Next one is the concentration of gases in the environment. First of all, this relates to the presence and concentrations of gases into the food environment. Next is various microorganisms required for growth, either higher oxygen tension to low oxygen tensions. High oxygen tensions is the aerobic organisms and presence of oxygens. Low oxygen tension is microaerobic or absence of oxygens is anaerobic. It's clear. Next, some microorganisms may grow either in higher oxygen tensions or in the absence of oxygens. This is the facultative anaerobes. Next, foods affected by various groups. First one anaerobic, next one microaerophilic, and the aerobic bacteria, next aerobic molds. So first one anaerobic or facultative anaerobic spore formers are most likely to grow in canned foods. Next, microaerophilic bacteria are most likely to grow in vacuum-packed foods since they have low oxygen tensions, whilst next ones, aerobic bacteria are likely to grow on the surface of raw meat. Next, aerobic molds will grow in insufficiently dried or salted products. 4 bacteria, first one facultative anaerobe, next microaerobic aerophilic bacteria, next aerobic bacteria, next aerobic molds. Aerobic molds is just a fungus. Next, relative humidity. Relative humidity is the amount of moisture in the atmosphere food environment. Foods with low water activity placed at high humidity environment take up water, increase their water activity and get spoiled easily. For example, dry grains stored in the environment with high humidity will take up water and undergo mold spoilage. Thank you.